Good morning, learners. Today we are going to study about transformation. In IGCSE transformation, we have only 4 types now. The first one is by translation. Second is by reflection. Third is by rotation. And the fourth one is by enlargement. Translation. So when we say translation, you should know the column vectors, because that will tell us how we are going to move our image. So the column vectors are written like this. This is our column vector. We have 5, -3. The number here on the upper part tells us if we are going to the right or to the left first. If this one is positive, it means that we are going to the right first. If this one is negative, then we go to the left first. If this is 0, then we don't move. After going to the right or going to the left, then we are going to use the number below. If this one is positive, then we go up. If this one is negative like this, we go down. So that is the purpose or the use of column vector. When we say translation, in layman's term, it is sliding. We are just sliding our image. Like for example, we slide it here and then down, or we slide it here and then up, or to the left, up, or to the left, down, or the image does not move. It may just move upward or downward. Okay, so let's have our image here. We have image K here. This one is point A, point B, point C, and point D. So, number 1, transform image K. This is our image by translation. So, when you say translation, let us imagine that we are just going to slide our image by column vector 5 and -3. So let us translate first point by point. Start with the A here. Now, as you can observe here, I did not write anymore the positive or the negative numbers here because we'll be confused of the numbers. We will be using this one and the square only. So let's have 5. So 5 means left or right. That's the first number. That's the upper part. The upper number tells us left or right. So this one is +5. It means that we are going to the right first. 5 units. So let's start with A. So 5. So this one is 0, and when we jump, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So we are here. We are not yet finished. We have the -3. So we are there, and the next step is 3 negative. It means that we are going to move downward by 3 units. So from here, again, this one is not 1. It's 0 and 1 when you jump, 2 and 3. So our A is here, point A. Okay, what about letter B? So letter B, we use again the 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and -3 down, 1, 2, and 3. So we are here. Okay, here. So A is here, B is here. Where's the C? So from C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, and 3. So our C is there. And then we have the D. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is our image. And if we are going to move the whole figure, we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and down 1 and 2 and 3. So you see, That's the checking now. Okay, we slide it like, we don't twist it, we don't turn it, we just slide it like that. Okay, let's have number 2. Again, translate image K by column vector -2 and 2. So let's start with the D. You can start in any letter if you want. So -2 means we are going to the left first by 2 units. So from here it's 1 and 2. Okay, and then 2 will tell us up or down. So this one is positive, it means that we are going up. So we have 1, 2, so our point D is here, D prime. And then A is -2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So our letter A is there. About B, so for B we have -2 is -1, -2 and up 1, 2. So our B is here. For C it's 1, 2 and +2, 1, 2. So our object, or I mean our image, the translated image is, so let's have the whole figure, -2. So -2 means the whole will move 1 and 2. And then afterwards, it will go up by 2. 1 and 2. So, or our image now is here. So this is our moved figure, the translated figure is here now, or image. Okay. What about number 3? So for number 3, translate K by 4, 0. So we say 4, we go to the right. So you can have the B or the A. So let's have the A again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's here. And 0 means you're not going to move anymore. So our A is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Where is the D? 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's here. And then 0, it will not move up or down anymore. So for B, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's there, and we will not move anymore. Up or down? No. And for C, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be here. So if we are going to move the whole figure here, so we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we will not move anymore. So our image is there. Next, translate image K by 0, -3. Okay, let's have the D. 0 means we are not going to the right, we are not going to the left, we are not going anywhere. And then afterwards, we use the Y. -3 means we are going down by 3 units. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So the D will be here. A, 0. It will not move to the right or to the left. But using the -3, we'll go down after not moving. So we have 1, 2, 3. So A will be here. If we are going to move our figure is here. Using the 0 means we're not going to move this one to the right or to the left. It will just stay there. But the -3 will tell us to move this figure or image 3 units downward. We have 1 and 2 and 3. So our image now of K is here. Okay. Now, when we have the figures already, we have the image K and we have the image K prime, and you are required to describe it, or describe the single transformation of image K to image K prime. So how do you answer? Your answer is like this. First, you said it's translation, it's 1 mark, and then the column vector. So just don't say only translation. You have to name the column vector. So you have column vector 5, -3, so you have 2 points. Or translation by column vector -2 to that one. If we have the image and the image R, if they put the R there, what is a single transformation of image K to image R? Therefore, your answer is translation by column vector 0, -3. So, always you have two answer there, translation and the column vector. That is how to describe the single transformation of our translation.